Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a USB that doesn't display its full capacity. Now I plugged in a 4GB USB and only 1GB is showing. Now to fix this, you want to hold the Windows key and R and type in disk part, all one word, and then just click enter and hit yes. Now this command prompt window should come up, and what you want to type in next is list disk. As you can see, disk 1 is our 4GB USB, and disk 0 is our main C drive. Now you just want to type in select disk 1, and as you can see, disk 1 is now the selected disk. Once you've done that, you just want to type clean, and once you have done that, you just want to type create partition primary. Now once you've done that, you just want to type exit, and then if you refresh your computer window, you should see this removable disk. Just right click on it, click format, make sure it's on FAT32 and the allocation unit is on default. You can call it whatever you want. I'm just going to do 4GB. Click start, OK, click OK, and there we go. All 4GB are displayed and the drive is fully functional. Hopefully this video has helped you. If it has, make sure to drop a like, comment, subscribe.